First, start by finely chopping a white onion, then heat 2 tablespoons of Mr Organic's Italian Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil in a large shallow pan on medium. Add in the chopped onion and sweat that down until softened. Next, add in a finely chopped carrot and stick of celery, then cook those down with the onion. Trim a courgette and then dice into small cubes. Add that to the pan as well and allow to cook until slightly caramelized on the edges. Grate in 3 cloves of garlic and stir that through, then season with 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of dried mixed herbs and fry off. Take a jar of our Great Taste award-winning tomato puree and add a heaped tablespoon of that into the pan. Take a jar of our Italian Organic sun-dried tomato antipasti, roughly chop 4 of the sun-dried tomatoes and add them into the pan. Next, take a tin of our Italian Organic cherry tomatoes sourced from our 3rd generation tomato farm just south of Rome in Italy. Add the cherry tomatoes into the pan and using the back of the spoon or spatula, break the tomatoes down into a sauce. Grab a jar of our organic chickpeas, these alone count as 1 plant point, and add those into the pan along with the liquid therein. Add in 1/3 cup of sliced green olives, then season well to taste with sea salt and cracked black pepper. Stir through to combine before then pouring in 1 cup of plant-based cream and mix that through the sauce. Next, add 2 large handfuls of fresh spinach leaves to the pan with a handful of shredded basil leaves and stir those through until the spinach begins to wilt. Take a sheet of filo pastry, one at a time, scrunch it together and place on top of the pie mixture. Repeat this with 8 sheets of filo pastry in total until the pie top is completely covered. Sprinkle a little water over the top of the pastry, brush with a little olive oil, and then add on some Nigella seeds to finish. Place the pie in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes until bubbling, golden and crispy on the top, and serve immediately. Featuring our premium jarred chickpeas, this plant-rich 1-pot pie packs in the protein and plenty of fibre, with a hearty 14 plant points, counting towards your 30 plants a week total. It's a weeknight wonder of a cosy bake that the whole family will enjoy.